Hello everyone and welcome to Old Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm going to hop on really quickly and tell you about this great deal from MARY MAXIM. You can get 23-cent shipping on any order of $49 or more. This is crazy. Oh my goodness, I need to go on MARY MAXIM and see if there are some things that I might want to purchase again because I just placed an order. But if you're interested, I do have an affiliate link and it will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase something from them. 23-cent shipping. Catch it. Here's one more thing. Right now, FURLS is on live and the streamlined metal hooks are in stock, but only G through P are available right now. So go get yours and click my FURLS affiliate link in the description box. You all need to come to this live because I'm telling you that Pam is spilling the beans. Pam is on live with Mrs. DeVita and they are chopping it up. I want to tell you that people that have been waiting for Odyssey, they will be restocked on Monday. And one more thing too is the rest of the Zodiacs, they're trying to get them available to us before the end of this year. Yes, yes, yes. So come on over to the live. I'll drop the link in the description box as well, but catch it.